Welcome to this technical guide on the Lenovo Ideapad 320. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Lenovo Ideapad 320 won't turn on, you're not alone. This issue can stem from various factors like a faulty power supply, a drained battery, or even motherboard problems. If left unresolved, it can lead to further damage, making repairs more complicated and costly. To get started on this repair, you will need a few tools. Ensure you have a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic opening tool, an anti-static wrist strap, and a replacement battery if needed. First, ensure the device is powered off and unplugged. Lay the laptop on a soft surface to avoid scratches. Using the plastic opening tool, carefully pry open the back cover. Start at one corner and gently work your way around, being cautious not to apply too much force to avoid damaging the clips. Once the cover is off, locate the power connector and battery. If the battery is removable, disconnect it by gently pulling on the tab. If not, you'll need to unscrew it first. Look for the screws securing the battery in place, usually Phillips screws. Use your screwdriver to remove them, applying a steady, gentle force. After the battery is free, examine the power connector. If it's loose or damaged, this is likely the culprit. Disconnect any cables attached to the motherboard that might be in the way, but make sure to note where they go. Be careful not to damage surrounding components while doing this. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Now, replace the faulty component. If it's the battery, ensure the new one is compatible with your Ideapad 320. Secure it in place with the screws you previously removed. Reconnect any cables you previously detached. Once everything is back in place, carefully reattach the back cover, pressing down until you hear it snap into place. Finally, plug in the charger and attempt to power on the device. If it turns on successfully, congratulations, you've completed the repair. To prevent this issue from occurring again, ensure you regularly check your battery health and avoid using the laptop while plugged in continuously. Keeping your software updated can also help maintain optimal performance and prevent power issues. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.